My name is Trevor Tanaka. I am the Stone Soup Leadership Institute's Sustainability Coordinator. We are proud to partner with Barnes & Noble to bring the Institute's climate education curriculum to you and to schools across the country. Stone Soup for a Sustainable World, Life-Changing Stories of Young Heroes features 100 different stories that includes climate education champions, green inventors and entrepreneurs, environmental justice changemakers, and pioneers and trailblazers from 38 different countries around the world. I am honored to be one of them and work alongside these other heroes who are working towards building a more just, equitable, and sustainable future. The Institute's team of educators has created the climate education curriculum to be more user-friendly. For each story, we customize lesson plans to feature STEM and language arts activities, sustainable career pathways, sustainability innovations, and to create all these with correspondence to the next gen state science standards. We've worked with educators to bring these stories into their classroom and engage students to learn and to take action in their lives and in their communities. I especially like working with students to learn about sustainable career pathways. They are looking to fine-tune their educational choices and prepare for the green jobs in the future. Our social media team features a Hero of the Week. This will include on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We have hundreds of awesome videos on YouTube Safe for Kids. We have cool events for students to meet sustainability practitioners who focus on mentoring youth and sharing their journey. The Institute's Sustain WDN builds bridges between business, government, and education leaders to train youth to become a part of the sustainable workforce. The Stone Soup EdTech platform scales our tools and brings them to more young people so that together we can work to build a more hopeful future and sustainable world.